Hello folks, welcome back to another video. This session is going to be interesting because today it is about the notorious pattern which is known as the Quasimodo pattern, and for short it is called as the QM pattern. So this is our today's topic in this video, and I will show you directly how to trade this pattern. So actually this pattern is a twin pattern of the head and shoulder patterns, or you can say it's a cousin pattern. But the thing which makes it a little different from the head and shoulder pattern is the extended leg of this pattern. So the right leg of this QM pattern will always be extended from the left leg. Let's see, the market made a left shoulder, the market made the left leg, then the market made the head of this pattern, then it is the leg which I am talking about. This one got extended from the previous one, which we can see it is the right leg of the pattern. Then the market reversed from the right shoulder, and after that, the move is quite obvious. What does the extended leg do? It actually confirms that the trend has changed because it broke the previous low point, which is the left leg. So here in this pattern, we will place our stop loss about the head of the shoulder, and our first take profit area will be the extended leg, and we can further extend our take profit level. Let's say count the pips from the head of the pattern to the extended leg, and then we can target the exact same amount of pips. Here I am having another example. This one is the left shoulder, this is the head of the pattern, and this is the extended right leg. Then the market completed the left shoulder. We could have target the extended leg initially. This would have been our first target, and later we will target the area, the space it took for the pattern to form, and that can be our second take profit area. Let's say this one right here was our second take profit area. So this is the third example of the QM pattern. The market actually formed a left shoulder, then the market consolidated at the left shoulder, made the low of the leg, the market made the head of the pattern. Then this is what differentiated from the head and shoulder pattern is the extended leg. That's why we call it the QM pattern. So the market then reversed, completed the right shoulder. It took exactly the same amount of time for the right shoulder to complete as it took for the left shoulder. So here we would have set our target, our stop loss above the head of the pattern, and our first take profit area would have been the extended leg area, and the second take profit we will target is the as much area as much it took for the pattern to form. Let's say this area would have our second target. This pattern is extremely effective in all type of markets, that is currency markets, that is stock markets, that is commodities markets, and that is crypto markets. This pattern is tested, back tested, forward tested by thousands of professional traders, and the result was always quintessential. So as we are having inverse patterns in the head and shoulder pattern, so we are always also having the inverse of this QM pattern. Let me show it to you. This is the example of the inverse QM pattern. The concept is same. The only thing we do is we trade it in a downtrend, and it is actually a reversal pattern. So we look for it in a downtrend and we look for QM pattern in a uptrend. The market formed a left shoulder, then the market formed left leg, the market came down and formed the head of the pattern, and again we can see this is the right leg. The right leg will always be extended in both inverse and QM pattern example. So we saw the market extended in the right leg, then it came down, completed the right shoulder. So here we would have set our first target is the extended leg. We would have set our stop loss below the head of the pattern, let's say here, and our second target would have the amount of area it took for the pattern to complete. So we would have target that area as our second take profit at this point. So this pattern is extremely effective. I recommend you to learn it, backtest it, and learn where to place your stop loss, where to place your take profits. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in another video with another topic. Take care.